Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Outdoors. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video coming up. It's some old footage back when I first got my GoPro Hero 3 in 2014. So my kids are little and we're gonna go to a butterfly exhibit in Denver, Colorado. All right, YouTube, play my intro.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Yeah, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. All them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. One ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
So there it is, guys. I had to dub the music with different music. There's no talking. Back then I played a lot of copyrighted music and well, you know, don't want that copyright anymore on these things. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. That place is awesome. I know we got one in Grand Rapids here in Michigan. We're gonna try to go to it this year, I think during spring break. But yeah, those butterfly exhibits, if you've never been to one, man, they're pretty freaking awesome. They're fun. They're fun. Anyway, hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Just float them out.